Now it's time for Getting Legal with Tim Misny.
When it matters, make it Misny. He'll make a bet.
Welcome to another segment of Getting Legal with Tim Misny. Joining me once again, the man Tim Misny. And today we're going to talk about click it or ticket. Let's talk about safety belts. What do you have to say about them?
Well, first of all, we'd like to give a little shout out to our friends at Tenable Security, Pete Maragliata, for making this set possible. Thank you. Seatbelts. It is so important for two reasons. Number one, as we all know, it is the law. Buckle up for your safety. Right. It is the law. And secondly, from a standpoint of preventing bad injuries, I've been in the business of representing the injured victim in our hometown for 30 years, and I've seen accidents where there were two people in the same car. One person had the seatbelt on and the other person did not. Same impact, but the person who was restrained walked away from the accident. The person who was unrestrained slammed up against the windshield, suffered a closed head injury, catastrophic injury.
Right.
So from a safety standpoint, it's something we really have to do. And you know, oftentimes people think, I'm just going around the corner, half a mile from my house to a grocery store. Well, that's when most accidents happen.
Yeah.
So there is no exception to the rule. You gotta buckle up.
And what happens if you're pulled over by a police officer and you're not wearing a seatbelt? What are you fined? What are you liable for?
Right. It's a minor misdemeanor, but you do. It's a moving traffic violation, and you get 2 points. And it is a concern if it's ongoing. But notwithstanding that, safety first.
And how can we get more information?
Two ways. Feel free to visit my website, misnylaw.com, or visit the Getting Legal page at 19actionnews.com.
Or you can always like Tim Misny on his Facebook page.
That's what I'm talking about.
Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you.
This has been Getting Legal with Tim Misny, sponsored by the law offices of Timothy P. Misny.